Cogbell's RedLine IPS composite SmartPad system offers revolutionary external corrosion protection to industrial piping systems at the pipe support points. Let's take a closer look at how this uniquely designed system achieves this goal efficiently and effectively while minimizing overall cost as compared to other competing solutions. The SmartPad system was specifically designed from the ground up to solve the issue of corrosion under pipe supports. When a pipe is resting on a support structure, several factors can lead to the pipe's subtle movement and vibration. Such movement causes friction between the pipe and its supporting structures, which erodes the pipe's protective paint coating and can promote corrosion at the points of pipe support. The SmartPad, placed between the pipe and the support, protects the pipe from friction, dampens structural vibrations, and locks out moisture, eliminating the formation of corrosion cells between the pipe surface and the SmartPad's hydroseal gasket. The SmartPad's hydroseal gasket is the key component for preventing water molecules from forming between a pad and pipe to cause corrosion. Once compressed, the gasket conforms to the pipe's outer surface, creating a NEMA 4 watertight seal between the pad's surface and the gasket. The method of sealing the space between the pad and the pipe locks out moisture more effectively and installs in a fraction of the time as traditional FRP wear pads that depend on an epoxy perimeter seal around the pad. The SmartPads SmartBands are used to fasten the pad to pipes and to compress the hydroseal gasket. When the bands are tensioned using our Smart tool, they will be securely fastened to the pipe and will not slip or fall off. The large amount of tension the tool creates, combined with the weight of the pipe itself, will cause the hydroseal gasket to become sufficiently compressed, creating the watertight seal that prevents water molecules from collecting between the SmartPad and the pipe. Finally, installing the SmartPad is quick and easy. First, lift the pipe per your facility's standard practice, and place the SmartPad beneath the pipe. Second, loop the SmartBands loosely around the pad and into their recessed grooves, and then, finally, use the Smart tools to tighten the bands. Cut off excess banding using the built-in cutting tool in the Smart tool, and installation is complete. These factors make the SmartPad system a superior method of protecting pipes from external corrosion to any other competitor on the market, and have led to the installation of SmartPads at Chevron, Nutrien, and Formosa facilities across the Texas and Louisiana coastline. At RedLine, we're able to custom make each SmartPad precisely to our client's specifications. Length, width, and curvature can be custom fabricated. Call or email us today to get more information or to order SmartPads for your piping support needs at 409-768-1419 or sales@redlineips.com.